velvet.
Where?
Right there. To do our age of our birth, I mean, our friendship age.
How old are we?
7, 10th, 11, 12.
Are there...
College is actually 9. I can't count. So we need to get 9. We've got 9-1.
So we're celebrating 9 years of friendship. So what we're gonna do right now is start this Jello move.
Oh my god, but wait, it has like little cutout things.
Yeah, you basically make the Jello, then you just cut out these.
Like, isn't that the coolest shit you've ever seen?
Like, there's a fish, there's a star. Well, they're all freaking fish. Well, okay, whatever. You get my point. That was the. Why'd you look at it like that? Are you okay?
Oh, I don't know how to use this oven.
I already did it.
It's
preheating
to 100.
to 350, but it's starting. It's like that's the temperature it's at now. Oh, it smells like a baby bottle pop, baby bottle pop. Okay. We're gonna set this aside. We're gonna set this steaming Jello aside, and then we're gonna make our. I love cracking eggs. I do. I'll wash my hands before I get salmonella.
What's this? 1 cup?
Did we already add 1 cup of water?
No. Where the fuck is the other measuring cup? Got it. Oh shit, man.
Wait, is that too much batter?
No? Why would it be?
So what if it rises?
That's what it does.
Is there enough space to rise?
What do you mean?
What if it goes like overflows?
Should be fine.
Wait, is that too much batter? It's gonna overflow. It's gonna be 4.
We're not just making it big.
Gets rid of air bubbles. Boom.
Good night.
Oh, here we go.
Oh my god, Mikayla, it's gonna overflow.
Oh my god, it's gonna be fun.
That was good,
right?
God.
Whoops.
Shake it. The Jello is hard. Not hard, it's settled.
So hard.
Ah!
Go, go.
What?
What if I drop the entire bowl?
We forgot that we did our Jello, so we're gonna make our Jello stencils now.
Ew.
What? What kind of dolphin is this?
What the hell? Keep holding up.
Well, it doesn't really look like a dolphin.
Where's my starfish? Heck yeah.
Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday to us. Happy birthday
smallest piece of cake I've ever seen in my entire life.
Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Slaps.
Slaps. You went from water. You went from water.
Okay, that's all for today.
That's all, folks.
So we made a cake, celebrated our 9th birthday.
I'm cooking by the book.
Oh, if it,
Daniel.
wait, play it. Wait, oh my god. If you want to do it, if it is the bake by the cake.
If you do the baking by the cake. Yeah, I'll just type it in.
What is it called? If you want to make a fucking cake.
If you want to bake a fucking cake.